Hawaii, USA, January 31st, 2025.
It's still going. It's crazy here. It's already about 5 o'clock in the evening.
That guy's scared. He ain't going no further.
A powerful storm system is pummeling Hawaii with flash flooding, damaging wind gusts, severe thunderstorms, and even blizzard-like conditions to the high mountain's peak that has left thousands without power, roads blocked by floods and fallen trees, and even grounded island air traffic. According to the FindEnergy.com, nearly 60,000 customers from across the Hawaiian Islands were without power on Thursday evening. Hawaii issued a ground stop for all inter-island flights midday Thursday, with 4 flights being diverted to Lihue, according to the Hawaii Department of Transportation. The ground stop was lifted around 2:30 p.m. local time. HDOT also reported downed trees and power outages that have affected traffic signals on the islands of Oahu, Maui, and Kauai. A myriad of severe storm and flash flooding warnings remain posted around the island Thursday afternoon. A rare severe thunderstorm watch covered the islands of Kauai, Maui, and Oahu into Thursday evening as thunderstorms broke gusts over 55 miles per hour.
Look at that.
With torrential rains, flood watch also remain for all islands through Friday afternoon as rain rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour are expected for some areas. The rain and flash flooding also bring an increased risk for mudslides and landslides for much of the islands. In addition, high wind warnings are in effect for all the Hawaiian Islands through Friday afternoon for continued gusts over 60 miles per hour. Lihue reported a gust of 58 miles per hour earlier Thursday, and Oahu experienced winds gusting to around 63 miles per hour. At least one rock slide was also reported on Maui, with a giant boulder blocking a travel lane of the Kahekali Highway. Drivers were advised to use cautions in the area and be aware for any obstructions. What is a blistering rain and windstorm for much of the tropical paradise is a major winter storm for the Big Island's mountain peaks. A winter storm warning is in place for the Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa summits on the Big Island through Saturday morning. As much as 18 to 24 inches of snow will combine with wind gusting up to 85 miles per hour will cause blizzard-like conditions, with blowing and drifting snow triggering whiteout conditions for anyone daring to venture to the mountain peaks.
Jesus Christ. That's so crazy.
The National Weather Service in Honolulu has issued a flash flood warning for Molokai until 9:30 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., rainfall continues to increase across Molokai with rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour over many parts of the island, the warning said. Additional rainfall will continue to move over the area over the next several hours.
Whoa. Do you see that? Look at that.
Oh, look at this one. Look at that. Look at that.
Highway 450 will likely become impassable at multiple locations between Kaunakakai and Puku. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Kaunakakai, Kualapu, Hoalehua, Kalaupapa National Park, Kauai, Kamalo, Mauna Loa, Ualapue, Kapuhi, Puko, Halawa Valley, and Molokai Airport, NWS said. The NWS advises staying away from streams, drainage ditches, and low-lying areas prone to flooding. The warning is in place for the entire island of Oahu. At about 4:05 p.m., officials from the Hawaii Department of Transportation reported a tree overhanging Pali Highway at Waukanaka in the Kailua bound right lane and hitting cars. Drivers are advised to avoid the right lane.
God, it's crazy.
Earlier today, city officials reported that Kapa Quarry Road near Mokapu Boulevard is closed due to the flooding. The NWS has also extended a flood advisory for the island of Maui to 7:15 p.m. Some locations that will experience flooding include Kaupo, Kipahulu, Hana, Haleakala National Park, and Hamoa.